here, just as a friendly reminder, how to wash your hands. I'm sure we all know how, but let's just walk this through step by step. So we have our touchless soap dispensers and our touchless water faucets. Actually, that's one of the changes we've made in all of the restrooms and bathrooms here at the school, so really awesome. We're excited about that. And we're gonna get a little bit of water, and we're gonna scrub. Most people just scrub, the palms, but we're gonna make sure to get on top of our hands, also in between our nails. Don't forget your thumbs. Also go a little bit past the wrists as well. And you wanna be doing this scrubbing about 20 seconds or the birthday song. And when we're done scrubbing, we're going to rinse. And that's actually one of the things I love about the touchless water faucets is that we're conserving water, so we're actually really good for the environment right now too. Okay, so I'm happy to show you guys these changes, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye bye.